Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. The post references a reported attack by Fulani Islamic militants in Yelewata village, Benue State, Nigeria, where 100 Christians were killed, aligning with a 2025 Organizer.org report documenting a surge in violence, with over 179 Christian deaths during Easter attacks, suggesting a pattern of escalating religious conflict in Nigeria's Middle Belt. Historical context reveals Fulani herders' southward migration, driven by resource scarcity and jihadist ideologies, has fueled clashes with Christian farmers, with a 2021 study from the Journal of Peace Research estimating over 10,000 deaths since 2010, challenging narratives of isolated incidents. Rep. Marjorie Taylor Greene's rhetorical question highlights a geopolitical debate, contrasting U.S. military focus on Israel with inaction in Nigeria, amid claims of foreign influence, though no peer-reviewed evidence supports the Post's suggestion of Israeli intel orchestrating these attacks. She posted on her Twitter page as quoted, "To all the never-Trumpers who turned into fake America First MAGA experts after the polls showed Trump winning. Are you demanding America go to war in Nigeria to save God's people from Islamic terrorists too? Or does that only apply to God's people in Israel?" Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. Stay tuned.